Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make a full automatic labeling machine using Arduino. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, where you can order your 5 pieces of up to 32 layers PCBs starting from $2 US. If you are planning to order premium 6 layer PCBs, this is right time for that. Place your order and get a special discount of $30 US. One of a good addition in their services is flexible PCBs. Now you can order flexible PCBs starting from $2 US. Now you can also upgrade to a nano coated stencil with a free coupon of $5 US. With the help of this stencil, it would be very easy to release the soldering paste on PCB during the soldering process. Another exciting news is that now you can include the newly released RP2350 chip in your projects. So for more details about that, you can visit this page here. To order for your PCB assembly, first upload PCB Gerber files, then bill of material file and pick and place file, and then place your order. Okay guys, so after a few days we got our PCBs from JLC PCB. Here is the box. Let me open it to show you our new PCBs. As you can see, the build quality is perfect and very nice as always. Here are all the components that are required to complete our control board PCB. So first of all, here you can see 5 10 kilo ohm resistors, 4 1 kilo ohm resistors. Here are some male and female header pins. Here are 3 1N4007 diodes, a 5mm LED, 3 tactile switches, 2 7805 voltage regulators with these heat sinks. Here are some terminal blocks, 3 BC547 transistors, a DC power jack, 200 microfarad capacitors, 3 12-volt relays, and this is our PCB. Now I will solder all these components to our new PCB. Okay guys, so the component soldering is done. Here are all the 3D printed parts that are required to complete our labeling machine. So it took me around 4 to 5 weeks to completely design and 3D print all these parts. Okay guys, so here are all the components that are required to complete our labeling machine. So first of all, here you can see some pieces of wood. So the size of these pieces about 4 by 4 centimeters, and the thickness is around 2 centimeters. This piece is about 8 centimeters long and the width is around 2 centimeter and the thickness is about 1.2 centimeters. Here you can see an Arduino LCD 16 into 2 line I2C LCD with this I2C module, and here are 2 DC motor speed controllers. Here are 2 IR sensors, Arduino Nano A4988 stepper motor drivers, and here you can see 5 ball bearings. The model number of this bearing is 608. You can see here, and here is a micro stepper motor with this long screw shaft assembly. And here you can see the model number. Here is a NEMA 17 stepper motor. Here are two linear sliding bearings 8 mm in size. Here are some pieces of 8 mm shaft. So these two pieces about 7.5 centimeter long, these 5 pieces about 6 centimeters long, and this piece is around 5 centimeter long, and here is a very small 1 centimeter long piece, and here is a piece of 5 mm shaft about 3 centimeters long. Here you can see some rollers. So first of all, here you can see a very soft rubber roller. This roller is used in printers for paper pickup mechanism, and here are 3 other rubber rollers. Here is a 12 volt 370 small gear motor, and here is another small micro gear motor. Here you can see some different types of screws. These 6 screws are 2 inches in length and the thickness is about 4 millimeters, and these 5 screws are 1 inches long and the thickness is about 4 millimeters. And here are some 3 millimeter thick and half inch long screws. Here you can see 2 long hex nuts, and here are some M3 screws, and here is a spring. Another small spring, and here is a custom made spring. I made it with the help of some old steel wire, and here are 2 washers. The hole size is a little more than 8 millimeters, and here are 2 micro limit switches. Okay guys, so now we will start assembling our project. Here is a conveyor belt that I have made in one of my previous videos. We will use this conveyor belt in our labeling machine. Now first of all, we will connect this piece of wood here with the help of these long screws. And now this piece of wood will be connected here. Like this. Here are all the parts that are required to complete 2 roller assembly. So first of all, we will put all these bearings inside these holders. And now these bearings inside this part, and now these bearings here, and now this part will be connected here, and now these 2 shafts will be connected here, and these rollers will go here, and now this part will be connected here. Now these 7.5 mm shafts will be connected here. Now this part will go here, and this part here at the top of this, and then we will tighten these both parts with the help of these screws. And now this roller assembly will go here like this. Make sure that this thing should move very easily. Now the limit switch will go here and the other one will go here. Now we will connect these hex nuts here with the help of these screws, and now this thing will be connected here with the help of these screws. So basically these two limit switches and these stoppers will control the movement of these rollers. Now this micro stepper motor will be connected here, and this part will go here, and before that we will insert this spring here. So basically this spring will work as a shock absorber during the rotation of these rollers. Okay guys, so the two roller assembly is now complete, and now we will move to the other side. Now we will connect this piece of wood here with the help of these screws. Now we will make this motor assembly. So first of all, this part will be connected here. And now this part will be connected here. And now this small piece of 8 mm shaft will be connected here. And this bearing will go here. And then this roller will be connected to the motor like this, and then this thing will go here like this. Now I will connect this assembly here with the help of this long screw. Now I will connect this micro gear motor here, and then this NEMA 17 stepper motor here with the help of these screws. And now we will connect this entire assembly here with the help of these screws. Now this 6 cm shaft will go here, and this one here, and the third one here. And this part, it will go here, and this roller will go here. Now we will put this rubber roller here on this roller like this, and now we will connect it with NEMA 17 stepper motor like this. And now this small roller will be connected here. During the assembly of these two parts, make sure that the gap between both of them should be at least 1.2 centimeter. This gap here. Okay guys, so now we will need to do some modifications in this sensor to make it optical label counting sensor. We will extend the wires of this white LED and then we will desolder this LED and put it back again on the back side of the sensor. So as you can see, I extended the wires of this white LED and changed the location of this black LED. During this modification, make sure that the polarity of both LEDs should remain same. Now we will connect this sensor here, this black LED here in this side, and then the white LED on the other side, like this. So now this thing will be used to count the number of labels and the presence of the labels. For calibration of the sensor, we will need to connect the ground and the VCC pin to the 5-volt power supply. So here I connected the sensor with 5-volt power supply. So after connecting it, take two labels like this. So when this part become in front of the sensor, this output LED should not glow, and when the middle part of the both labels should come in front of the sensor, this LED should glow. You can make this adjustment with the help of this potentiometer. I already made it, so let me show you. Okay, as you can see, now this part is in front of sensor and the LED is off. And now when I move the middle part in front of sensor, as you can see, the LED is on. And when I move it again, LED is off. Let me show you once again. As you can see, now we will connect this part here with the help of this screw. And then this entire assembly will go here, like this. So we can adjust the sensor in this direction and in this direction. Now this 5 centimeter shaft will go here. Now this label roll holder will go here, and then this washer, and then this spring, and this washer again, and then this thing here. This spring mechanism will add a little bit tightness in label roll, so this thing will also prevent the label roll from unrolling itself. Now we will need to connect this part here and this part here with the help of some super glue. And now we will connect this roller here with the help of this shaft. Now we will insert this spring here, and then this part, like this. And now this sensor holder will be connected here. Now this sensor will be connected here with the help of some hot glue. You will also need to calibrate this sensor, and the output LED should only glow when the become under the sensor. Okay guys, so our labeling machine assembly is now complete, and now it's time to make all the wiring connections with this control board PCB. So the wiring connections are very easy and simple. Let me explain it to you. So first of all, you will need to put a jumper on this MS1 terminal like this, and then you can connect LCD wires here with these pins, and this conveyor motor wires with these terminals with the help of this speed controller. So the positive wire from this terminal will be connected here with V plus, and the negative wire from this terminal will be connected with this V minus, and the motor plus minus wires will be connected here. Same thing we will do with this sticker motor that is over there, and this small gear motor wires will be connected with these terminals, and these two limit switch wires will be connected with this LS2 terminal and LS1 terminal. So basically this is the limit switch 1, and this one is limit switch 2. This sensor wires will be connected here with these three terminals, and this sensor wires will be connected here with these terminals, and the NEMA 17 motor stepper wires will be connected here, as you can see, and this micro stepper motor wires will be connected here, and then we will connect this PCB to a DC 12 volt power supply source. Let me do all the wiring connections, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so all the wiring connections are now complete, as you can see here. And now it's time to burn the Arduino code. After burning the Arduino code, connect the Arduino to the control board PCB. Here I have a sticker label roll. You can get this type of label rolls from any online store. Now I will load this roll to our machine. And now we will insert this side into the sensor. And then here. And then here. And now we will put some paper tape here. Okay guys, so after loading the label roll, move one label at the edge of this part, and then push it here, and then connect the machine to a 12 volt DC power supply source, and after that move the sensor until this LED lights up. As you can see here. So now we will tight our sensor here. Okay guys, so here is the final setup for our machine. You can see three buttons here. This one is start button, and this one is stop button, and this one is mood selection button. There are two modes in this machine. The first mode is single mode, and the second mode is continuous mode, as you can see here. So in the single mode, the machine will label only one bottle, and then it will stop. And if we choose the continuous mode, the machine will continuously run, and you will need to place the bottles on the conveyor belt, and it will automatically label all of them. And here it will show the number of labeled bottles. Okay guys, so now here we have some liquid filled bottles, and now I will place it here, and then I will press the start button to show you the labeling process. as you can see here. Let's do another one. And now do it in continuous mode. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like this project, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.